Hey, how you doing? It's me, Marcellus Elder here, and on today's episode of What You Want to Know From Me as in Marcellus Elder because ME, those are my initials, we're going to be looking at how to control the faders in gospel musicians MKSensation using our faders or sliders, whichever you have too. And we're going to close out the app, and when we open the app back up, we're going to do something so that way when we control one of these sliders, a slider or fader on here is going to start moving, the one that we had already previously assigned. And I want to give a big thank you to Mr. Roger, because if it wasn't for you, this video would have never been made. Thank you for sharing the info, and also thank you to the new subscribers. Last time it was 511, this time it's 521. Each and every subscriber counts, and I love each and every one of you and thank each and every one of you. All right, and speaking of subscribers, there are rules to this game called What You Want to Know From Me. If you have a question, all you have to do is hit that subscribe button. Then after you hit that subscribe button, hit the notification button or notification bell. I don't know which one it is. I keep forgetting because YouTube keeps making changes, but changes are good, right? As long as ain't too many. All right, so anyways, after that, what you want to do is you want to hit the like button, because when people see the likes and the views, they look at the video and they say, let me check out this dude. And so they click on the video and, they know something. They learn something that they may not known before, So the views and the likes are a big, big help. And I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you again. Y'all guys are awesome. Okay, so after you do all of that, this is the last step. I know you're getting tired of me talking. Let's just go to the music. Let's do it.
Yeah, tell me what you wanna know. That's right, tell me what you wanna know.
All right, so let me show you what I'm talking about. I have my preset activated, right? Now I'm finna use this right here. You see the slider, the fader is not working. What in the world's going on? I just assigned it. This thing done froze up, right? So all you gotta do is just this simple little thing. Finna hold down one of these faders. All right, just finna hold it down, and then we're gonna hit cancel. And as you see, everything's working again. And so it's that simple. That's all you had to do. So my intro to this video may have been long, but I think it was worth it. What you think? All right, now let me go to presets right quick and activate that, because I done messed that all up. Now it sounds like how I had it first. So I'm just finna play some music and let's see here. Let's see. All right, let's say that everything's fine. The faders, the sliders, all that stuff, that's working. Let's close the app out or minimize it and then just open it back up. As you see, the slider that I'm using, ain't nothing happening. Nothing's working. If you look on the screen, nothing's working. So I'm going to do that same thing what I just showed you. And if I can get this thing to MIDI learn, come on, come up, just cancel that. All right, so you can see everything works like how it was working. Notice how that yeah. I don't like that it does that. Hey, let's hear what that piano sounds like on here. Without that, what I have on it last time, chorus or reverb, that wasn't supposed to be on there. That does affect the sound of how it really sounds, what it can really sound like, man. Yeah, I'm really not feeling the feel of this keyboard controller. Alright, thank you for watching, but don't go just yet because I have some words from me. Marcellus Elder. Yeah, that's a whole lot better. Stupid Mike, I'm tired of you hitting me in the face. Alright, so I just want to say thank you for watching. And then I want to say that I hope that you have come here and that you have learned something that you didn't know on what you want to know from me, Marcellus Elder. So make sure that you follow me on Instagram. Make sure you follow me on Twitter because I like to keep you updated on the videos that I will be doing in the future. All right. And so, yeah, make sure you do that. Make sure that you tweet me and stuff like that so that can become a thing. Until then, stay subscribed, stay notified, and I'll see you next time. All right.